Well, hey guys, 420 RCJ here. How's it friggin' going? Hey, pretty good now. Settled into new place and yeah. But I just want to do a little teaser video about a new RC I got a while ago. Ooh. We got a Team Losi SCT short course truck at a pawn shop with no radio or battery, but I did try it for a bit. I did have a battery, but it was all friggin' bloated and crap, so I tried it a couple times, and there we go. Oh, this thing is beauty. Let's take the body clips off here. There we go. And oh wow. She's got a Castle Creations short course sidewinder in it. It's got a fan. Yeah. There's the battery tray. It's got Velcro straps for a big battery. I just need to get a battery and a radio. Oh. And there we go. This thing does not have a gearbox. It's got 3 differentials. If you can see that spin there. It's a differential in here and then the front and the back. And yeah, I need to get an 11.1 volt 3-cell LiPo for it. And a radio. Oh, and look at the mud flaps. Isn't that cool, eh? And the suspension on this thing is just wow. Yeah, this is 1/8 scale. This thing's big. Yeah. So we're gonna set the camera up and do a little suspension test on the cement and just drop her and put the camera in front and see. Yeah. There we go. There's that Castle system. Best brushless system out there, man. They are the shit. Yep. And the steering on this is just phenomenal. So, well, we'll talk to you guys later here, and I'm just going to try and do a little suspension test, and yeah.